people, the road was busy, so busy. Like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates. And thank you all for your love and support and thumbs up. Remember to hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates. Remember, like up the videos. For muffler. See everyone, you know? This is one of the Jamaican garbage truck. I collect the garbage. Very busy, my friend. Road is very busy today. Today is Tuesday and look how much vehicle on the road. Remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates. The sky is beautiful also. Remember, we're in Manchester, Mandeville. Yes, my friends, look at the big truck coming up the hill. Strong and nice. These trucks are very strong. Yes, my people, I am heading home now. Yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates. Thank you for watching. Mr. Mix Life Plan YouTube.